Good morning, class 7th. Now today we are going to proceed civics chapter number 21. Our today's topic is importance of rule of law in a democracy. Rule of law means all people are equal before law. Everyone, each and everyone are equal before law. Either that may be the President of India or a common laborer. Both are the same in the eyes of the law. That's why rule of law is known as the foundation of democracy. It is also important because the rule of law maintains the sense of justice and improve the life of people. Democracy, we can't imagine about democracy without the rule of law. So it is important because the importance of the rule of law is given in 6 points. The points are here. It checks abuse of power by authorities. जब भी शक्ति का दुरुपयोग करते हुए किसी सत्ताधारी व्यक्ति को पाया जाता है, जिम्मेदार व्यक्ति को पाया जाता है, तो रूल ऑफ लॉ उसे चेक करने का काम करती है, उसे रोकती है. It treats everyone equally without discrimination. Means the rule of law equally works for each and every section of the society, each and every people without any differences or hindrances, without any discriminations, बिना किसी अवरोध के, बिना किसी भेदभाव के रूल ऑफ लॉ सबके साथ समान व्यवहार करती है. It empowers individual with rights which cannot be taken easily. The rule of law व्यक्ति विशेष को वह शक्ति देती है अधिकारों के साथ which cannot be taken easily, जिसे आसानी से हम वापस नहीं ले सकते. Its supremacy ensures no person can claim above the law. इसकी सुपरमेसी सर्वश्रेष्ठता यहाँ सुनिश्चित होती है कि कोई भी व्यक्ति इस रूल ऑफ लॉ कानून से हट करके कोई क्लेम नहीं कर सकता. It leads to fairness, both substantive and procedural. It leads to fairness. यह फेयरनेस को दिखाता है, स्पष्टता को दिखाता है, चाहे वो सबस्टांटिव हो या प्रोसीजरल हो. It ensures adherence of principles of natural justice. यह नेचुरल जस्टिस के सिद्धांतों को इंश्योर करता है. It is the basis of criminal accountability and punishment. और यह क्रिमिनल अकाउंटेबिलिटी और उनकी सजाओं का आधार माना जाता है. Thereafter, injustice around the world People all over the world have been victims of injustice due to inequality around us. Here is a contradiction that if the Constitution provides the right to equality, then why inequality is spread around us? Many people are victims of social practices, political situations, economic deprivation, and religious intolerance. Many social workers like Rajaram Mohan Rai, Ishwarchand Vidyasagar, Dayanand Saraswati, Mahatma Gandhi, Jyotirao Phule, etc. worked hard to bring about social reformation in India. Aung San Suu Kyi is the champion of the democratic movement in Myanmar, who entered the field of politics in 1988. She was awarded with Nobel Peace Prize in 1991 for her non-violent struggle for democracy and human rights. She was the woman who started her political career in 1988 and did a good job. The result was that she would get the Nobel Peace Prize in 1991. Her struggle was one of the most extraordinary examples of civil courage in Asia in recent decades. She was put under house arrest from 20th July 1989 to 13th November 2010 by the military government of Myanmar. That's why the result was that she was arrested and being kept at home only from 20th July 1989 to 30th November 2010 by the military government of Myanmar. She became the first state councillor of Myanmar on 6th April 2016. Like the same in USA, Martin Luther King Jr. fought for the rights of blacks. Blacks means the people who are called Negroes, who faced many discriminations and were denied all rights. Martin Luther King Jr. was born in Atlanta, Georgia on 15th January 1920. He was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and initiated American Civil rights movement by adopting peaceful methods. So he had also got the Nobel Peace Prize in 1960s. Like this, the chapter democracy is completed. Tomorrow onwards, we will have the book exercise and question answer. Thank you.